Hello friends, I am Vinod Kenny. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Vinod Kenny TV repair number 1 in India. Problem in this TV is at the start Sony logo appears in 2 partition. After that everything seems to be normal.
ये पैर तो नहीं आ रहा है
ना ना हो गया ओके
जानकी ने हमेशा
One of the way to get rid of this fault is by cleaning LVDS cable and cleaning FFC cable going to panel. After cleaning FFC cable and replacing LVDS cable, complete picture was like resolution failure. Now I wanted to check T-Con-N and display with the help of universal board. Resolution was set to 1920 and 1080 pixels. Picture appears to be okay, means T-Con and panel was okay. The problem was with motherboard. Now the problem was known that defect is with eMMC data or with main processor. So I decided to reprogram eMMC data. After removing eMMC IC, diode test between data line with processor was okay. Original eMMC IC was of SK Hynix company, which was showing 10 to 20% used, so I decided to replace eMMC IC with 16GB Samsung. Now I am going to fix eMMC IC in motherboard, which I had programmed with OK data. Hey, this TV is now working absolutely perfect. Subscribe my channel to get latest update on TV repair. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye. Call me on given number to get your TV repaired.